Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a prosthetic finger. It's beginner friendly. Anyone can make this. So for this video, I'll be using silicone from SFS Smart. Once you're done mixing your alginate, you have about 2 to 4 minutes working time, and the alginate is going to cure. Alginate cures really fast. So once it cures, this is what we have. We have an imprint of our finger where we're going to pour in our silicone. You need a mixing bowl where you mix your type A, equal type A and type B silicone. You're going to have a good mix in here, and we have about 1 hour working time, so you don't need to rush this. For those that would love to make bigger prosthetics, you have about 1 hour working time to mix your colors, to mix your pigments and all of that stuff. So we're going to mix the type A and type B silicone very well. We're going to mix it extremely well before adding our pigment. And for our pigment, I used a foundation. I used a dark shade foundation to create my pigment. Once you're done mixing, you pour in your silicone into your mold. And for this particular silicone, the curing time is 5 to 6 hours, meaning you have about 5 to 6 hours for this to cure. So if you're making a large prosthetics, you have a lot of time for that. But if you need your prosthetic to cure in a shorter period, you can make it shorter by putting it in a microwave or in an oven for about 30 minutes and it cures. So now you have your prosthetic finger. It is looking plain. So in this next segment, I am powdering it and then I am applying my paint. And for the paint, I'm using alcohol activated palette from SFX Smart. So guys, here's the final outcome. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section telling me the kind of video you want me to film next. Ciao!